Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making some curry fig to curry. You'll call this curry sada fig. It's really delicious, and sometimes we get fed up of eating meat, and I thought this would be a perfect recipe to share. It's great with any type of roti you like. So to start this recipe, we're adding oil to our pot or skillet, and I'm going to go in with a few meaty or fenugreek seeds. You know, when I do curry, I always use those seeds. In goes a few leaves of curry, and if you don't have those, you can omit it. So they will pop a little when you put them into the hot oil, and then we'll go in with some chopped onions and pimentos, and we'll season this with a little salt and allow it to sweat. Now I'm going to go in with some minced garlic and allow that to continue to cook until the garlic is tender and fragrant. Be careful, you don't want the garlic to burn. Now I'm going to go in with my curry powder. You want to use a mild curry powder. On the back of the Dhalpuri pack, you can find my curry soya chunks recipe. And on all of the Dhalpuri packs, you'll find different recipes by me. So add that into the skillet. You want your heat to be on a medium-low. You don't ever want to cook curry on a high heat. So toast this for about a minute to 2. And then you'll add in water to help it cook. Now this is going to cook and the water is going to evaporate. The curry is going to turn into a paste. Then you'll start seeing the oil start separating from the curry, and that's your indication that, okay, it's ready. So you see how it's starting to look. Just gonna let it cook for a little longer. And I'm gonna go in with a tablespoon of green seasoning, and I'll mix that in. And at this point, it's ready for the green fig or green bananas. Now in Trinidad, we say fig. Out here in the US, you say bananas. Add that in, season with salt, and toss to combine. Once it's mixed in properly and you allow it to cook out for about 5 minutes, then we'll add enough water to cover and bring this up to a simmer so that the bananas can cook. You want them to cook until they're tender and they're just starting to fall apart. Now if you wanted to add some salted cod or salt fish to this, of course you can. But today I wanted to leave it vegetarian. And that's it. When it's nice and tender and the bananas are soft, you want to taste and adjust your salt, and then this is ready to be served. Now I like serving this with either bus-up shot or dosti roti, or even sada roti. If you wanted to cheat, you can buy store-bought naan to have this with. A really easy, delicious vegan/vegetarian recipe for you all to try. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.